All right, I think we are good. Welcome everybody to another stream for TetraForce. It's only been a week this time, not a whole month or two since I last streamed, and I have Joseph B with me today. Welcome, Joseph B.
Hello, coming to you from a webcam
A
microphone.
webcam microphone. You sound actually quite good, all things considered. So
Thank you, machine learning technology.
so very glad to have Joseph here tonight. We're actually going to try and make some real progress tonight on some of the code things that I've been reluctant to do by myself. So yeah, without further ado, let's get down to it. So the plan right now is we found. Well, I thought there was the one bug that I thought was a bug. Isn't really a bug, but something that we intentionally scripted, and quite frankly doesn't work the way it's intended. So we're gonna
It is a bug. It's just a bug caused by a different thing than you thought it was.
Yeah, exactly. So that is because of the PvP that we coded in. We coded in a toggle for the PvP more specifically, and that's causing issues. So we're going to rework that whole thing, I think. The other thing that I wanted to try and fix. So I'm on the turtle. Actually, I don't know if the turtle is in the shrine now. Let me just check and see if there's a turtle sitting in this. Why is it slow? What is going on here?
OBS starting a fight.
Maybe. Oh yeah, okay, there's a turtle there. Oh, he's like... Okay, no. Okay, so well, single player he's working
Yeah,
fine.
I think he threw a spike at the dude.
Yeah. Oh, my dog is hitting my camera.
Is it just a projectile thing that's having the issues with the turtle?
No, there's another animation problem, but I don't know. Hold on, let's see what happens here. Join. You know why? I bet I think I know why I'm having visual issues. So, yeah, see how he for some reason his animation isn't updating because he's staying in the walking state
Okay.
on this side. So that I don't know what's going on there. That's a
Okay,
different. I think that's a different. That's a different, probably less bigger issue. I just couldn't figure.
Yeah, that's a turtle bug.
Yeah.
I think that's exclusively a turtle bug. I mean, we can look into that too if we have time.
Yeah.
I think the weapon's probably the most urgent.
Yeah, that's a bigger problem because that would fix my dead captain, and I think if we do that, that should make it so that the dead captain is complete. Because I don't know if you've seen the dead captain, have you?
I mean, I've seen it a lot while it's in development. I don't think I've seen it
like
fully complete.
Fully complete. But let's work on this, and I'll show you that later. Because I showed that on the last stream, at least in single player.
Yeah.
So okay, so where are we gonna even begin here? Where do we start?
Do you want to demonstrate the bug for everyone in the audience?
All right. And, so I think why I'm getting lagging is because this monitor is using my onboard display, not my graphics card display.
Yeah, that would make sense.
And I did that because I needed my tablet, my drawing tablet, to have my graphics card display.
I guess you'll have to get another graphics card.
I guess so. Time for 2 graphics cards. Yeah, sorry, it's laggy. That is totally my.
I mean,
that's my monitor.
That's the life of an artist: is just buying all the graphics cards.
Yeah.
And barely being able to tell. Yeah, I have a friend going into like 3D special effects, and I think he's getting like a full like 3080 machine, just completely dedicated to video rendering.
That's fun. Okay, so right now I'm getting hurt, but if I go into options and I toggle PvP off, technically you shouldn't get hurt from players, but you should still get hurt from enemies. But even the enemy... Oh, it did. What? Oh, maybe this isn't... You're not the map host. I'm sorry.
Yeah, only that's the map host toggle.
Yeah.
I believe. I don't even think you have to go over there with the map host. I think the map host is just the one that has to toggle it.
Yeah, I think you're right. Well, I did toggle it, so.
Like, in fact, I think it will. The map host will always take damage from enemies, but
yeah, the map host is. I thought this was not the map host. And now why is it not? Why? Of course, I'm trying to show it off, and it's just gonna work. It's probably
yeah. Well, listen. Actually, I think this shows off the bug perfect because the PvP toggle is so buggy. We never know what's going on with it.
Yeah. It could have been too because I toggled it after the fact. It's probably not even working properly. Either way.
Yeah.
That seems.
So if you go to weapon.gd.
Yeah. There's
in the damage function. This is where it all goes wrong.
Yeah.
So I think the best way to get rid of this is to go up to the top where it says PvP.
Yeah.
Delete that line. Delete line 8.
Yeah.
Kill it.
It's killed.
And it's gonna cause issues.
So we're just gonna kill all these two.
Yeah. So I would say, I would say kill that entire section. The is network master part.
Like just
that, right? Because the is network master doesn't. Oh wait, yeah.
These were all part of, like, these are supposed to were all originally here. This is how damage works. But that should get rid of that. Should just basically disable the PvP has no relevance now. Now it does not.
Okay. Yeah. So see if everything works as expected.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh man, I'm gonna have to figure out my display for this monitor. That's so unfortunate. So okay, let's pay attention here. So this is the host and this is the client. I want the host to leave first to stay the map host. And then I want you to be that. I wonder how laggy it looks to you guys when you're watching.
You can tell.
Yeah.
It's not. I mean, I don't think it's like super bothersome, but like for anyone that cares about having things look nice, it's bothersome probably.
Yeah. Okay. So I got hurt. Yeah, probably. Okay. So that seems fine, and I imagine the host will.
Yes, theoretically.
Yeah.
In fact, let me see. Like that should just fix that entire thing, right?
Yeah. Yeah. It's just back to the way it used to be without the PvP.
Okay. Cool. So now, if we go to, let's see. That's normal stuff, right?
As I disconnected it, just did a weird thing that I wasn't expecting it to do, but it's fine.
Okay.
Not a big deal.
So, let's see. If we go to player.gd, is there a damage in there, or is it specifically entity?
I think there is in here.
Inside damage.
Loop damage. Damage right there. Whole fall causes the damage.
Okay, so it's just an entity. Okay. So if you scroll, actually no. We have yeah. So if we go in damage.
Where is that? Loop damage. Is it loop damage that we want? Oh no, damage.
It's just the damage.
Yeah,
damage.
Yeah. Okay, right here.
Yeah. So add a line to 18. To after 220.
Yeah.
If Damager.
Damager.
And. Damager. Do we have a dot type? And types all in caps?
Yeah, we do have type in all caps. So
well, it's right there, like, yep, exactly.
Yeah.
Space is equal to, and then player in all caps. Is that line 212, for example? And then if global.pvp.
If global.pvp.
Actually, if not global.pvp.
Okay.
Then colon. And then return. And go to save that.
Okay.
That. Oh, what's it not like? Player has to be in quotes.
Quotes, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Go to weapon again.
Weapon.
Is there, and make sure that every single one of those functions passes in a body. Like, so there should be, like, look at line 28, for example.
28. So body
name. So okay, right there. So to the right there where it says damage knockback vector.
Yeah.
Add a comma and do self after that.
Like that? Oops.
Yeah, and add that to all of them that don't have it.
So do you have to pass that parameter through somewhere else then?
No, that should be it.
Wait.
Where is that?
Nowhere. I don't think.
Where are we calling player all of a sudden in weapon? Is there a player?
It's like just a blank line 46.
46. I mean, that's it. This player, did we add weapon to player at all? I don't think we did. So, I mean, if it gets angry, it didn't get angry.
No, it's not getting angry.
Like, use the sword. Press the sword button. Yeah. Okay, whatever.
I don't think it's actually
whatever.
Angry. I think it's just Godot being weird.
Okay. Try it. And also, they should do it so that you can PvP toggle is based on your player now, so each individual can choose whether or not they want PvP.
Yeah.
Since it's client side now. Which means the ability to hack is even higher. But we kind of gave up on that. Like,
yeah, that's kind of like whatever. So options. Oops. So PvP enabled off. Return. Options.
So first try them both with it on.
Okay, on.
So like to see if you can fight.
Yeah. Options.
Okay, it's on there. Oh yeah, and see if you can smack each other.
Oh.
Okay, there's an error.
Invalidate index type based on.
Oh.
Yeah, how do we type this wrong?
Well, no, it's no. So it's encoded. It's an encoded object, so you can't pass self.
So we have to remove self from where we just added that.
Yeah. I don't think that'll fix it. But.
So is that why it was throwing an error on this one here? These?
Yeah, besides the whichever one had it before. Actually, all the ones that are local are fine.
I think I should.
Yeah.
Should I reload Godot? What do you think?
Just close that script and reopen it.
Close. It's still there.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, you can restart it though. I don't think it's stopping us from doing anything right now though.
Doesn't seem to be.
So,
It's just weird that it's an error. I don't want it to interfere. Oh, this is still open. Let's close that. Maybe that's why there was an error, because it was still open. Let's see here. Okay, it does seem to be gone now. Just Godot being
okay,
started.
cool.
Okay, so, sorry, do you want me to try that again? Now that we removed those?
Yeah, I don't think it will work, but it might.
Direct. Post. Children. Okay, so what do we have here for options now? PvP is enabled. Okay, so that worked. And that worked. And no errors. Options.
Okay, good.
Turn it off.
And see if... So you should still be able to deal damage, but not take it. So you can still take it. Okay.
Okay.
That's what I thought.
Oh, but I still dealt damage too.
Yeah, you should always be able to deal damage, just be able to turn whether... Yeah.
But you shouldn't be able to take it.
If we go back to weapon...
Yeah.
With the weapon, it should always be able to call... What should I call it? The weapon should always be able to pass in that third parameter of self. Right. That's what we need to get to work. Or actually, go to the damage and entity.
Entity. Damage.
Where is damager? You're at it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, up a little bit more.
There it is.
What is damager also used for? Where else is it just used there?
If damage equals null, emit damage signal.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so let's try to mix this up. So instead of trying damager, let's change damage. Just change that to get rid of dot type right there, and save that. And then go to weapon.gd.
Weapon.gd.
And change. I would like it to still be an object, but do self.type for that third parameter.
In here?
Yeah, well, no, it'd be... Okay, if you scroll to the top, sorry. What variables do we have here?
Just type.
Okay, we do have type. Perfect. Yeah. Though, would type be player?
Yeah, type is play. Yeah, type is play.
Okay. So then for that third parameter, make that type.
Oh,
not player, type.
Just type? Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
And replace the self and the other function calls. Yep, to type. Anytime the function damage should be called, I'm hoping to switch that out.
To type.
I don't think that would break anything.
TM.
Yeah, exactly.
Should this also be typed here? Or no, just leave that alone?
No. Okay, let's see whether that breaks anything.
Oops, I didn't mean to slightly change the screen size. Alright, host. Join.
Okay, now try to see if normal PvP works.
Oh.
But the toggle should be off, right? Should save that.
Yeah. It was
off. Looking good so far. So now you shouldn't be able to deal damage, but you should be able to take damage now.
Oh.
No! Okay, what if they turn it off?
Oh, it does seem to change it for both. So if I turn it off here, it should be off here. It is.
Okay.
So
it's because I think when you click the options, it loads it now. So it's not that it changes it; it's that it loads it. So and then when you leave, it saves. So
like fully leave maybe.
Yeah,
no,
I
now
don't
it's
know.
not. Oh,
Yeah.
that's weird. It's like switching for some of the time.
So when you click the options,
when they leave.
it loads the file. When you when you leave it saves the file. If that makes sense.
Yeah. So
it only changes it when you go to change
when
it.
When I go here, and now it'll be changed for this person too. Oops, I didn't mean to close it. Oh well. It's okay. It's not doing any damage now. We're doing no damage to anybody.
You didn't try with them both off, though. Guess that shouldn't have done anything. Print. Oh, there's a bunch of errors. You didn't look at those.
Oh. I didn't see those. I think those were popped up afterwards, though. Well, hold on. We'll make sure.
Someone said go.
Oh, I keep getting these stupid spam. It's spam.
It's spam?
Yeah, it is. How did I report there?
Hello, Russian.
That was happening last time too. I don't know why it's.
Or I don't know if it's a Russian bot or a Russian person that doesn't know English, or
I'm pretty sure it's a Russian
not Russian but Cyrillic of some sort. It must suck to be like a Serbian bot that's always called Russian.
That's called Russian. Yeah, see, turning it on does nothing as well.
Okay. How do we get the errors? We produce the errors.
Oh.
Okay. Oh, it was just close. That's what it was. It was just close the server.
It was just closing the server, which is what I thought. Yeah, we're good. Normal errors.
Okay. In damage, can you print
Where do you want me to print it? Like at the top?
Not in player. Oh, sorry, in low weapon. Sorry, not in weapon, but in the entity.
Oh, entity.
Print damager.
Oops. I could type print. I really can't type. Jeepers. Okay. Nothing. Oh, because I have to hurt. I have to hurt. Which might not work because I can't do any damage.
We want to pop into.
Oh, it worked this time.
Our general.
What do we want to do, general?
Nodding wants to pop in.
Oh, yeah, we can move over, sure. If I don't crash.
Yeah, I'll follow your lead.
What is going on here? I'm so laggy. Okay.
Oh. Long time no see.
Hello? Hello?
Hello, I can hear you.
I can hear you? Okay, now we just need a nodding.
Yeah, are you able to screen share with your 2 FPS?
Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. I don't know if that's literally because of my display or what. Or OBS is angry? I'm not sure.
Maybe some background process.
Maybe.
Okay, so you got player, I see.
Yeah, I did get player. So it seems to recognize that.
Can you get rid of for 223? Just do if not global.pvp.
Just get rid of this?
Yeah, move that and replace that with the damager side.
Sorry? What do you want me to do?
At 3, where it says just damager and, make that not global.pvp and.
Oh. No. So put global here. Okay.
Yeah, not global.pvp there. And then get rid of 224. And then you have to fix the tabbing for...
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe that'll do it. I don't think... No, that shouldn't do it. But it might do it. It could.
Oh, you know what?
It could for a dumb reason.
I'm not lagging now. Yep. I was probably because I was still watching you stream.
I wasn't streaming.
Oh, you weren't streaming? You had stopped?
Oh, yeah. Maybe you just need to reset Discord or something.
It's possible.
It's like a new memory leak or something.
Okay, so these people are getting damaged. Turn it off. Still taking damage.
That's right. But will the other player be able to damage them?
Oh, yeah, good point. Yeah.
Yep. Okay, still broken. Still broken.
Confirmed it's still broken.
Do the print keep the print player. The print damager.
Oh my goodness, I'm so not typey today. Damager.
Okay, and then just do the same experiment. Where...
Oops, I need to do multi-start. Okay, so... Oh, now it's off. It doesn't seem to be updating.
Huh. I wonder... So we might have done it.
I can't change it.
Wait.
You can't change it mid-game. Like, I have to do this, close it all down, and then reopen it. And then it'll change the setting.
Why would it do that?
So let's see here. So if I go multi-start, but go into options before I start this. So
yeah, I mean, if that's the case, that's not the worst. Like, that's less buggy than it was before.
That's true.
It's not optimal. I wouldn't even say it's not even it's only buggy because that's not how we want it to work.
That's not how we want it to work. Oh no, it's still it's still saying off. But then if I close it and open it,
is it only on startup? Why would it be on startup of all things? Startup.
Yeah, that's weird. Yeah, it's on startup.
Okay, print global.pvp as well.
In the same place here?
Yeah. Yeah, just print. Okay, that's good.
So true.
Now, now can you get it to... Now turn it off and try it. You have to turn it off on both, though. Make sure they're both on off. So you're going to have to open options and just close options. Okay.
Oh. Now it worked. So both players have to do that? Options, on, back, return.
Okay.
Options, on, back, return. Now it's on.
Okay, now what if just one player does it?
Okay, so now if I just do this, options, off, back, return.
Can you...
You can still hurt each other. But if this person comes now and goes in...
What if it's... Who's map host?
This left person is map host. Back. Return.
Okay.
And now it should be off. And now it's off.
Both players have to agree to turn PvP off. It's literally the opposite of what we want. What?
That's so funny. Oh,
how is global... Okay. Do Control-Shift-F for global.pvp in the code.
Okay. Oops. Global fa. I like fa. Fa's good. So entities. which we know of.
Okay.
And then in options is the only other place. There's no network peer call, I think, is maybe the problem.
No, I mean, you don't want network peer call because it should just be on the client.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
So if we go to 19.
19.
Sorry, yeah, that one.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that looks good. You know, I wonder if it has something to do with it being on the same computer with the same like settings file.
Oh.
Because like, is default set to true? Like default PvP, yeah, by default PvP is on.
Yeah. Right here, actually. I'm actually looking at it. Right where I've got selected.
Trying to think. If you want to export it for Linux, you can send it to me and I can host a server.
Sure. Where do I do that again? It's been a while.
Project
Export. There it is. I think it's been a little while since I've done this. Linux runnable, maybe. There it is.
Yeah, I need Linux. So.
What settings here do I do for you?
You can just do export project.
Okay.
Everything's configured for you, and just create a new folder wherever you want it. Actually, we don't even need to do that. We don't need to. I built the system for this. You just need to push. You just need to push.
You're right.
And I'll automatically build a thing. I just need to find what like. I just need to make sure that my firewall port is forwarded.
I don't think I want to do that. I'm just gonna close Godot real quick, so whenever I delete things that it doesn't like when I do that. I literally don't need like any of this. I don't think I published the branch yet either, just so you know.
No.
Shouldn't need any of those.
No.
PvP rework. Commit. Publish branch.
Yeah, because if it's just like a little bit like borked
when
you're like on like the same machine or whatever.
Yeah, that would be totally fine. No big deal.
Okay, let's see. What's my...
I don't have to export it for myself, right? I can just do it right from the editor? Or do I have to export it for myself?
No, you don't have to export it for yourself. You might have to download it from the website. Because otherwise there'll be there might be a version mismatch.
Okay, when you find it, can you link it to me?
Yeah, I'll take a sec to build, so I'm gonna give it a second. I have to set up my thing. Okay, let's see. Should work. Cool.
I'm almost at a beverage. Oh no.
Okay, it's building right now. So here, I'll link it in the Discord.
That would be wonderful.
Yeah, and preferably hide my IP when
it's on a different monitor.
When you join.
Yeah.
Because I don't have like a fancy DNS name or anything set up right. Well, I probably do, but I don't know what it is.
It's still building.
Hello.
It's still building. Hello. Oh, there's a nodding. Welcome, nodding.
Hello.
We're about to test if we fix PvP. If if PvP is broken or if it's just a weird thing to do with files being loaded.
Huh. Okay. Sounds fun.
Well, I thought there was a network problem, right? But it turns out that it was the PvP that was borked.
Right. Oh, okay. Yeah, because I saw what was a network GD get updated today. I was like, oh, there's stuff happening.
Yeah, there's stuff happening.
I was like, oh,
Yeah, I broke
stream
the network object months ago, and
Gotcha.
we didn't find out until very recently, apparently.
Because I started
Or
working.
like right before Christmas.
I started working on things again.
Yes, and what a great Christmas present that was, right?
Yeah, I was so thrilled.
That
Not
he
being
left
able-
us.
Yeah.
I was like, I had a whole week off and I couldn't do much because I was like too scared to add to anything when it was broken.
Yeah, I've been spending like hours trying to get a single screw out of my motherboard so I can put together my computer again.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
Oh, that
yeah,
sounds like
I-
a lot of fun.
Yeah, my computer case broke, like glass like shattered on it, so I bought a new one. And my friend came over and said he would fix it. And what he did is he just took apart my computer and then couldn't get one screw undone. So, well, actually, he couldn't get two undone. But he like destroyed the forget what the word is, but he scraped the top of the one, so I can't use a
Stripped it?
screwdriver
Oh,
to
he
get it out
stripped it.
anymore. Stripped it, yeah.
He
that's the
stripped
word.
it. Yeah, that's
Oh.
happened to me before.
Yeah, so I either need to figure out how to get it out or get a new motherboard, and so I'm on a laptop right now, again,
Oh,
which is
that's all
fine. I
good.
like my laptop, but
Yeah, they're right. They're good in the
uh,
pinch. I mean, obviously, you know, if you can do work on a desktop, usually that's what I would go to as well. But if you need to do it on something, and
Yeah.
you know, a laptop is
well,
fine.
it's just my desktop's configured to do all my work stuff, and it has all my all my files are online, but it has everything set up properly, and I don't need a laptop on my desk.
There we go.
Because I'm still using my monitor, and like the webcam I'm talking to you through is my actual webcam. So
Oh, gotcha.
I'm still using my normal setup. It's just going through a laptop.
Being rerouted. No, that's all good. Here, hold on. I'm trying to grab and I'm trying to get the latest. I saw it like just got fixed, so I guess I can't grab it just yet. But
Yeah, there is. Did I post a link to it? Yeah, I posted it in.
Yeah, it's good now. You should be able
General.
to download it now.
Yeah, if you download the build from GitHub that I posted in general, we're going to be testing the
Hold on.
PvP toggle.
And
all good. Here, hold on. Let me go grab that. So it's in the general. Okay.
did you post your
Oh,
IP
okay. I see
info?
what you're talking about.
Not yet.
Oh,
'cause
okay.
I
I went to
have a
go
server
through-
for
Yeah.
it.
We're just doing direct. We're just doing direct connection, right now.
Yeah.
That's why your IP. Your
Oh, okay,
is
cool.
IP. I moved it off so no one can see it. They're just seeing nothing right now.
Thanks, OBS. Very cool. Oh, come on. I gotta relog into Discord on my laptop. I'm on a laptop right now. How crazy is that?
I'm not on a laptop, but my computer's being cranky because I did some display changes.
The desktop that I will be using for a little while at least. Oh, I see it now. I'm downloading this. The desktop that I used right now. Well, so I'm like home right for like winter break.
Yeah.
And so I left my desktop at my dorm room because it's huge. I don't want to drag it
Yeah, of
for a
course.
couple
You
of
don't want
days.
to. Yeah, that'd be
So
not worth
so
it.
I have this like kind of broken that I like fixed it up like office machine. And I threw Linux Mint on there and I've been using that, but I kind of had to hack together an actual like way to display it onto a screen. So the resolution is it's 4:3 and it is, I think it's 124 by like 7 something. I don't remember what it is. It's atrocious to look at. Like it like hurts my head. So
Oh
if
my
I can
God.
avoid using it, I'm going to. But I just ordered an adapter for it that lets me use an actual spare monitor that I have. The reason I have to use this terrible one is it's a tiny like TV pretty much. that's just in 4x3 and can't comprehend the idea that a computer would be connecting through HDMI and not the given VGA port on it. So I can't tell it to like not be in 4x3. It's a mess. But it'll be fine once the adapter comes in.
Andrew, can you smack me?
I am trying my bestest. It's doing nothing. Hey, look, guys, our game is multiplayer.
Try now.
Oh, it worked.
Okay, and I cannot hit you. How about you turn it off?
Okay, so
this will also be a test of how low. I think my internet connection is atrocious right now.
Okay, now it's on.
Just barely. Oh, there we go.
Okay, wait. Open it again.
Yeah.
Well, I can walk right through people. That's
so
okay.
So it says
right?
PvP enabled on.
Okay, my PvP is.
Oh, what the heck? I just randomly took damage? That was weird.
Oh, my enabled is off right now. Can anyone hit me? Oh, I got hit.
See, and I can't.
Wait.
Oh, but it's enabled right now. Now it's enabled. It wasn't before.
Wait. Andrew, can we look at the code real quick?
Sure.
Can you pull up the code again?
Does the map host determine if it's on and off?
It should be the user. So if you go to the entity,
entity.
It's on. There it's on.
And then go to the damage function.
Yeah.
What? Mm-hmm.
It's doing like the opposite of what is expected.
Well, it's still being like rando.
Yeah. Like sometimes it's working, sometimes it's not working.
So somebody try hitting me.
Which chain are you? The standing still one? Okay, you got hurt.
Yeah, I'm over here. I'm on the right.
It was almost like a delay. Like I hurt you, but it took time. Or not at all. Oh, see, there you got hurt.
Okay. How about now?
I hurt you.
Oh, how about now?
Nope, now I can't.
Okay, I think I figured it out. So instead of when you're changing it, don't press escape to close the menu. Press the back button.
Oh.
Oh.
Off.
Because otherwise, I think it doesn't refresh if you press escape.
Okay, can you hurt me? Oh, mine's
Wait,
off.
so you're able to hit the back button to escape though? Because I can only hit escape.
You can't hit the back button?
There's a back button at the bottom left.
Hold on. So I see what you're saying. I thought you were talking like backspace. No, yeah.
Oh, hey, Peter.
I see what you're talking about.
Okay, so I had to spam it in order for it to actually work. Like if you watch, I do this a bunch, and then on and back and return. Now you try and hit me and see if I'm on. Oh, let's see, it's not on now.
What if I change?
Maybe you switched.
I'll see. Now you're hurting me.
Okay. Wait. Can you hit me now?
No, I can't.
What the?
Is it opposite?
I don't understand this.
Oh goodness. Oh well, I'm dead.
Oh. I will hit you. Oh, but my PvP is off right now. Are you still allowed to hurt people if your PvP is off?
Yeah.
Okay.
See, and I can't hurt.
So right now it's off.
I can't hurt either
now
of
it's
you.
on.
I can't hurt either of you.
Now my PvP is not.
I have a theory. Okay. The theory is that the global.pv like damage code is running on both the client and the server, and since it's not synced, it acts all wacky because it never gets updated.
Yeah, I think you're right.
So,
because I think I ran into a similar issue elsewhere.
Oh, I should be able to get hurt right now.
Yeah, so I think what we'll have to do is have within the player the player will have to keep track of the options loaded if it's the network master of itself. They'll have to have a function that's called when options are loaded that sets a PvP variable on itself. And then that function would have to be you called with network peer call to update that, and that's what we would look at. That variable is what we would look at in entity. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that does make sense. I don't know how you want to
Okay.
implement it, but I actually do understand what you're saying. So as I was saying
Do you
earlier,
want-
we need a network peer call of some sort.
Okay. Do you want to work through that, or do we want to create an issue for that and then make it my first priority when my computer's back up?
Well, here's what we'll do. I would love to have the turtle PR pushed. So
Yeah.
I
think
we just need to fix
for
that.
for the turtle PR,
We just need that.
I would
one
just
animation.
remove the network. The PvP. I just remove the PvP toggle portion from the enemy. Sorry, weapon.gd. Just remove those checks, and I think that would be would be a temporary fix.
Yeah, and then we also need that animation fixed, and then that PR is done. So let's go back to that PR. Let's go back to that PR. I'll close this off because it's a different branch, right? So.
Oh, my turtle.
I think
Oh, the trouble you have caused.
he's almost working. Honestly, he's fine.
No, yeah, it'll be worth it when it's done. It's just like it's been a long time since I made that turtle. You know, I mean, I think part of that too is we got busy, and that's totally fine. It's just funny that like one little idea of like, oh, it'd be kind of cool if this turtle was invincible for some time, just kind of
yeah, he
completely destroyed. Closed. All right.
Well, he was actually just the discovery of another bug. That's really what the problem was.
Right. He was just so good that he shed light on bad stuff. No, it's fine.
Weapon.gd, we're going to get rid of this.
And any lines that
and
cause an error now.
That's too many lines.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, temporary duct tape is fine.
So that
removing a feature that didn't work to begin with.
Let's just make sure the projectiles are working as intended then.
Oh right, yeah.
Host join. So
actually, now that I think about it, implementing like an options update thing into the player would also be a way to make it easy to change the player's skin and name during gameplay.
Oh, that'd be cool. Oh, he would have shot me if I... Shoot! Okay, yeah, so that hurts. It actually didn't disappear, it just kept going, but that's okay. I don't really care if it does that. I could easily... Oh, I was too slow! No! Ah, okay, yeah. Okay, both people get hurt. But see, when I get close, the animation isn't changing here.
Okay. Let's look at the code for that.
So what I think is happening, if I go to... I think I have to actually open up his code. Entities,
enemies, turtle. There he is.
So what I think is happening here, he should be switching to shell down here. So anime plays shell down, or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
I actually have it so it should be. I guess this is what I had last. Depending on the direction, the sprite direction, you play a certain animation, which is working in single player. But this network peer call doesn't seem to be doing anything, despite it should be able to. But I think it has something to do with the way.
Where is withdraw called?
This is withdraw right here. Oh, withdraw. Sorry, it's called. Where is that? Right here.
Oh, it's because that's not.
But,
okay,
so network is map host withdraw, else self withdraw.
Else, yeah, okay. That get map host self I think I know why.
Okay.
If you scroll down,
So I thought it had something to do with this.
let's see the code in that. The NM
The
NM
NM
switch.
switch.
Yeah. And just in that function.
Yeah, I'm trying to go to that
Just
function because it's an entity function.
Oh, it's an entity function.
Yeah. Oh, there.
Okay, yeah, it could be.
Because I think this is overriding the animation play, but I don't know how to correct that because.
It's showing its left, right, up, and down as opposed to.
Yeah.
That makes.
Yeah. So. Okay, go back to the.
Turtle.
Yeah, so you're using two different animation systems. I think you'd want to use just the anim switch instead. Like if anim switch.
I was hoping to do that.
The easy. Alternatively, instead of you'll have to manually. If you don't want to do that, you'd have to manually implement doing it with the peer call. Like you have to either create the animation system for the turtle or use the one existing.
You seem to have you have to do one or the other. It seems like I think that's the problem, right? So
yeah,
I just need I'd have to like recreate. I'd have to change his tile sheet and everything.
Yeah,
if I don't use anim switch. So if we can use withdraw with anim switch instead, that would.
What do you mean with? Okay.
So I just because right now I'm using anim play for these, but let's.
Okay. Yeah. So go to where the anim switch is called for walk.
Yeah. Which is right here.
Okay, and then do if.
Above it.
If yeah. Right. If shall. Wait, this is an else. So actually, just do the anim switch and cease player. For line 40.
The
line 40.
40. Oh, so just move this up here.
Yeah, we'll keep that. Like, just make another copy of it and post it in the top of the if statement.
Oh, I see. If cease player, anim switch, shell.
Yeah, I'm not sure how the naming convention works there. And then get rid of the other, the withdrawal.
Yeah, I don't need this now.
Or at least the networking part of it. I don't. It looks like withdrawal does set a variable, so. Like, I would probably keep the shell equal true part.
Oh,
actually, just take the shell equal true and put that right next to the anim player.
Shell. I don't know if I. Oh yeah, I guess I do. True.
Yeah, and then you can delete that function.
Yeah.
It's too far.
Okay, try that.
Is that gonna work?
Yeah.
I need someone else to look at it so that I don't like lose my brains when I'm trying to do this. Multiplayer.
No errors. That's a good sign.
That is a good sign. Okay, you're in your shell. Oh, but you keep playing. That's right. That's what the problem was. I remember that now. It keeps playing.
Oh, so he's doing it, but he keeps playing.
Yeah, he keeps switching.
It loops.
That was the problem. And like the animation isn't actually loop. Like it doesn't actually loop.
Okay, so it doesn't.
Oh, with the timer.
Like if you go here, see he's not. Oh wait, that's idle down. I was gonna say, see it doesn't loop.
Yeah, they're not looping. Yeah, no. I remember that.
Huh.
All right.
Okay, so let's look at the anim switch function. And
could I do if anim like not
if it's playing?
Oh yeah, if
anim
is finished or something. Oh, anim is it animation name, something like that?
Yeah, what the hell is it?
You have to get the object.
I'll Google it.
Guru.
Oh, it's current. Do if anim.current _ animation.
Dot
Yeah,
current
there you go.
animation.
All right, I'm sorry to do this to you guys. I have to go, but I do hope that fixes it.
Hopefully.
All right.
Thanks for popping
Okay.
in.
Yeah, of
Yeah.
course.
Have a good day. Nice
Yeah,
speaking to you.
guys too.
Nice
Nice
to talk
seeing
to
you guys
Yeah.
again. Hopefully your computer gets fixed soon. All right, man.
Yeah, and hopefully we
Have a
talk
good one.
again soon.
Yep, we will.
Yep.
Yep.
See ya.
Bye.
I'll see you.
Okay.
Okay.
Add a knot at the beginning,
Oh, if
and then do type. Actually, do
is it parentheses?
do colon there, and then at the beginning after the knot, do quotes shell up.
Oh, in here.
Yeah. Then do shell in quotes, and then space in.
Shell space n.
In as in inside. In. In.
In.
Yeah, and then put and switch under there. Try that. In fact, you should be able to test this in single player.
Oh, I suppose. Oh, I'm already here now.
I mean, testing in multiplayer is better anyway. Just if it's broken, it'll be broken in single player too.
Okay, that worked. Oh wait, it's still doing it.
Yeah, I'm guessing it's not to do with with calling anim switch, and I think it's something about how anim switch works. So if you go to entity.gd.
Entity.gd.
Okay. So yeah, it has nothing to do with. If you do Control F anims _ switch.
Just Control F or Control Shift F?
Just Control F. Just searching this file. Is there anywhere where anim switch is used besides? Okay, just create it here.
Yeah, it's literally just this spot.
Okay, go back to
Turtle.
Yeah, turtle. If not. If not. Put a print statement in there in line 37. Like, yeah.
Print.
And then print anim.current animation.
Oh, just the actual thing. Okay.
Yeah.
Anim.current. Oh, Eric, do you need a delay between detections? You shouldn't have to. It's just the way we coded it. Okay, it's still doing it. Oh, wait, I wanted the output.
Okay, that's exactly the problem. So for if not shell in, shell is in.
Is in.
It shouldn't. Oh, put it at line 37 instead of 38 because it's switching the. It's not giving us any. It's overriding whatever information it has.
So put the print in here.
Yeah. Yeah, try that. That should give us better info.
Walk down. It's spitting out literally nothing.
Oh. Do if and then do and. Sorry.
Where am I doing and?
Oh, like add another, yeah, right there. Yeah. And anim and not anim dot current animation equal to null.
Cool. Oops. Null.
And if that doesn't work, try an empty string.
Ugh, more junk. Go away. Report.
Good.
Go away.
Why is it always vom to go?
I don't know. Maybe I got hacked. Maybe my YouTube channel is hacked. I don't know.
What is?
Oh, still
Is it doing the empty string thing? Yeah, okay. Try empty string. So instead of null, do empty string.
Oh, I see. Yeah. That actually makes more sense, I think. I think that's what's happening.
Yeah.
All right. Now we multiplayer test it.
Yeah, and then get rid of that print.
Yeah. And then I think this PR is finito. All right.
Also, let's one up it and let's improve entity.
It's still happening though.
Okay.
Okay, why?
So it's happening on this. So let's go to anim. Let's look at anim switch on.
Okay.
On an entity, because we might this. So where does it call in the network? The play. When does anim switch called on the network?
Noblin, Thief Cat, Turtle, NPC, player, entity. That's literally the only place it's from entity.
Oh, okay. I got an idea. So do the multiplayer test, but have the client have the debugger, so we can get the output from that. See what's going on for the client.
I thought that's what
that
I was
makes
doing.
sense.
I thought I was doing that the whole time, but okay. So host join.
Does host have the debugger or not?
I think host doesn't, because host is on the left hand side, right? It's
yeah.
So
we want the client to have the debugger. So
yeah, which is
the center one needs to be the client.
Yeah. Not the host.
Yeah.
So host
click
here.
Yep.
And join here.
Okay. Okay, so on.
There's no error.
So what's an output? What's an output?
Nothing.
Nothing? What do you mean nothing?
It's something.
What? How is it playing in it? How does it even know how to switch the animation?
Good questions. This was the problem I ran into when I was like working on it by myself. Hence why I didn't get fixed, because I kept having this problem.
Okay. Let's try something.
Okay. Let me close. Close. All right. What are we trying?
Let's add a function here, right?
In entity?
Yeah. Like call it anim _once, and takes an A.
Oops.
Yeah. Okay. Go to go to the turtle.gd.
Turtle.gd. What is Eric saying here? Add a cooldown on the shell move.
And then grab the if statement there for 36.
This one here.
Yep.
And put that back in entity.
Yep. Now change shell to A, not shell to not A.
Oh. So this is just like that.
Yep. And then have that call. Actually, just copy the. For now, just add a new line and then make that pass anim switch, and then A.
Anim switch A.
Okay, and then try, instead of having that if statement, do anim once and the turtle.gd.
Anim once.
So because of our system, we're kind of limited. We'd have to add a because we're doing this in a process, so it's being called every frame.
Yeah.
So if we add a cooldown, it's going to be a cooldown within every frame, which is just going to bug out the turtle, unfortunately.
Yeah. Okay, so both of those have to be anim once, right?
No, the walk would just be anim switch, but because that's gonna loop.
Oh, okay.
Right.
Yeah. That's right.
Oh, and get rid of line 36.
Oh.
And 37, because 37's just junk now.
All right.
I don't think this will do it, but it gives us a new thing to work on in entity.
Yeah.
Instead of turtle. So because turtle should quote unquote work now. Now entity has a bug function that we just added.
All right. So that guy's working now. Nope. Still flubbernuck.
Okay. This really confuses me, but okay. Go to let's try this. Let's look at anim switch and entity.
I just have to check one thing. Okay, no, that's not looping. I'm not crazy. No, it's not looping. Okay, I'm not crazy.
Yeah, because it wouldn't be looping because it's not looping on the one.
Yeah.
The host.
Okay, sorry.
We need to figure out what's calling the animation.
The anim switch over and over.
So Control F in there and type anim.
Anim. Oops. Anim. Animation player.
Okay. Is there any other place?
There's lots of places. Anim stop.
Wait.
Anim switch.
Okay.
All those.
Wait. Go up. All the way to the top. There's something. Go to animation changed.
Animation change.
There should be a function.
Yeah, right here. Anim play. I think this is just anim switch rather than not anim switch. This will be anim play, right? Maybe I'm wrong. Anim play.
Okay, take the. What would it be here? So what's going? Is current animation okay? And if current animation not value.
Because this is in physics process, right? So if it's in physics process, is it just going to keep rerunning this function every tick?
Yeah, but if you go, but it shouldn't update it more than once.
Okay. Yeah, because it's not single player. I don't know. Okay.
Yeah, so it's not a pure. What? Where is in the turtle? What is there any other place that animation's called? Okay, that's Bond.
Oh, that's Bond, which has nothing to do with this. Seize player.
Yeah.
So there's 4 there, or 5 there, and then there's the 2 here. So no, it's not called anymore.
Okay.
Isn't this weird? I don't like it.
Yeah, let's go to entity.gd again and look at the anim switch. Okay, so line by line.
Because it's playing
first line.
Yeah, so new
first line.
Let me kill this. Var new anim string A, which you're passing through. And the sprite direction.
Okay, and then so it creates a string of the what it's facing.
Yeah.
And then if it's not currently playing, then it.
Yeah.
If current animation not equal to
new animation. So this should be could just play it the once.
Yeah. But if it's happening, right?
Anim current animation is not new anim.
I still don't know how it's getting over the network, though. I feel it has something to do with that.
Yeah, you might be right. Oh, you know what? I wonder. Network object animation.
Haha! So, that animation gets sent to a null string at some point, which is triggering the switch. So it'll automatically keep looping that. Which you call animation of play.
No, there's no there. No. It doesn't directly call it in the network object. It's being added to the object properties.
Okay, so what if we remove that from the network object and we set that ourselves?
Remove item. Let's just try this. I just want to see what happens altogether if I remove it. Let's just see.
Yeah. So it should only be a multiplayer thing.
So you're moving. You should just not be doing anything now. Yeah, okay.
Yep. Okay, cool. Yeah, so I think if we just set that ourselves, it'll fix us.
Okay,
so we're go to turtle.gd and just do a
network
that call
pure call. Oops. Pure call, right? Not the ID.
Yep, just pure call. And then anim switch.
Anim in quotations, right? Anim.
Yep.
Switch. Oops. Switch.
And then it'd be an array or a list rather. So yeah, and then just walk in there. And walk would be in quotes too.
Oh, okay.
And then I would go back to grab the code from anim once.
Yeah. Where is entity? Entity.
Yeah, and I would just cut that with Control X and delete anim once because that doesn't do what we need it to do.
It's useless. Put that back above this one.
Yep. And change anim once to anim switch there.
Oh yeah.
And change A to shell. Try that.
See what happens. Let's just see what happens.
Is this very clean? No. Does it matter? Also no.
At this point. Oh, whoa, what happened? Is that... It's very not happy and very not working. What happened? Oh, there's...
Oh!
Get engine network non-existent function get path in base string.
Oh, I think we're doing the network pure call wrong.
Okay, just crash Godot. That's wonderful.
Yeah, I think we're doing the network peer call wrong. It's been so long that I've yeah.
Yeah, that's not right. It's not right.
Yeah, so that's
not right.
So we're it's self comma for the network peer call.
Self
at the beginning before anim switch even. Yeah, so we were calling a node called anim switch, which didn't exist, and we were trying to pass it an array. Try it now. Yeah.
That was like some intense.
If Joseph was here, he would murder us.
Probably.
That was I think that's the worst thing we've ever done.
Probably. Yeah, that's probably true. Alright. Alright. There's no lag this time. And they're doing stuff.
Okay, can you get him to walk around again?
Yeah, let's... Yes!
There we go. Just have to make network calls properly.
Can you shoot me, please, Mr. Turtle? You're not gonna shoot? Projectile? Why do you not want to shoot your projectile, Mr. Slugger?
We gotta go.
I don't understand why he's actually not shooting his projectile when he's supposed to. That's weird. Yay, Eric says. He's not shooting his projectile as much as he's supposed to, though. But he is working animation-wise now, so that's wonderful news. Why are you not shooting your weapon, mister? I'm gonna print move timer and see what's going on here. I also realized that these... Oh no, that's supposed to be in there. Progress is progress. You're right, Eric. I'm more than okay with this. This is what we want it to be. I just have to check this. I feel like move timer isn't getting reset. Oh, see, it's being set here. But not in multiplayer? See, now he's shooting just fine. The Z index of the spike bothers me. I just realized that it's like drawing above him. Maybe I was just crazy and it just wasn't. So he's shooting there. Ow, I got shot. Yeah, see, now he's not shooting his spike. Does that have to be also network clear call for some reason? Well, it is network clear call. Ah, more of that junk. Go away.
Oh, is it working now, or?
No, well, sort of. For some reason, his spike stops firing. Like he'll shoot it.
Wait, let me see. It's equal to 15. Equal to 50.
Which? Move
Let's
timer?
see, what was that?
Is equal to 50.
Okay, yeah, that should.
And it's working in single player like perfectly, but in multiplayer, after he goes in his shell once, he stops shooting it. Maybe that's because he's not switching back to... No, he should be switching back to walk properly. Also, for some reason, the timer... Or did I delete the print statement? I thought I had...
Which player's host?
Oh, shoot. The person on the left here should be host. So this is the client.
And is that the one with the... Okay, so the client has the debugger?
Yeah, but it's not printing the move timer now. See, he's shooting the...
Because the move timer should be occurring only in the network
Okay,
host.
see, he's shooting his spike now, but if I go here and then go away, he'll stop shooting. Oh no, he's shooting it now. What the hell? Maybe I'm just crazy.
Yeah. Yeah, he's definitely shooting.
Yeah, he was shooting. Okay, maybe I'm just crazy. Maybe it is working just fine.
Yeah, you're just crazy.
Good, I'm glad.
You're paranoid. All the bugs of.
I am very paranoid. Oh wait, see now he's not shooting it again. He stops to shoot, but then he doesn't actually shoot.
Well, you need to have the map host hooked up to it to actually get any info.
See, yeah, he stops, but then.
Yeah, we'll restart it and try to replicate it with an actual debugger attached, so we actually get some.
Well, yeah, okay. I'll do the host properly, I guess.
Yeah. Because you've identified the issue.
I think I murdered my stream by accident. Or not.
I see it. Yeah, that's good.
Murdered my stream.
Yeah, looks good to me.
Hold on.
I see. Yeah, I still see a stream.
Okay, I just closed it, I think, on my end. I'm trying to go back to it, so I'm back in there.
Oh, like the... Okay, I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
Like the chatter. So the right one's the debugger, so make that one the host.
The right one. Yeah, so we'll host here. Host. Join. So... Yeah, so it stops when he goes in his shell. Resumes. He shoots. Resumes. Shoots. Oops.
By the way, well, I guess we're frame locked, so it doesn't matter. But if we weren't frame locked, the rate at which this guy fired would depend on your frame rate.
That's interesting. See, now he's just going to keep doing it. Oh, no, finally, he's not now. So his timer is going down.
Yeah. Does he hit 50?
Yeah, he does.
Like, if you click the pause button, look for 50. Top right. Go to output.
Yeah, 50.
Okay, let's look at the code.
Okay.
Turtle.
Oh,
That's
I'm not in turtle. I'm in player.
Okay.
Hold on, I need to get rid of that other comment again.
Put a print statement in. So get rid of that print statement. Put a print statement in inside there, and see if it's like instantly despawning or something.
I wonder if it's hitting, if it's not deleting ever, and once it hits its maximum, it stops shooting it. I actually wonder if that's what's happening.
Oh, that's definitely what's happening. Yep, that's it. That's it. I can tell you. Yep, you're right. That's it. Because I know we've had like that's something Joseph accounted for.
Yeah.
So you need to go to add a timeout to a despawn time to the.
I actually just want to, get destroyed when it hits something, and I don't think it's doing that. So let's go to entities, weapons, spike, which is weird because it's supposed to have this. The body entered.
Okay, but if you scroll up to ready.
Start.
It's hitbox connect body entered.
Hitbox. Is it just too small?
Oh, you need static body. You need static. It needs. Well, static bodies should count.
Oh.
And with body.
But it doesn't have.
Oh, it's the layer. Yep, you're right. You can. I'd look to like.
I guess I'll look at. Let me look at arrow. Hold on here.
Arrow. Yeah.
Okay.
third. Okay, just the third and then the bottom two.
And the
Then
bottom
two.
two.
Outside that, yeah. Right.
Look at me, somewhat knowing what the hell is going on.
Yeah, I always forget about layers because TetraForce uses them a ton, but
Yeah.
I generally don't use them on my own
Yeah,
that much. I use them sometimes, but not much.
Host and join. Okay,
Yeah.
shoot me. So it. Oh, okay, it disappeared there. Disappeared there. You need to shoot me though. Okay, well, it disappeared there again too. That's good.
Yeah, I think it's disappearing, so it's never gonna happen.
Oh, it didn't disappear.
You're not gonna see it.
Though. It should disappear when it hits.
Oh. It did that time.
I was too close to the
I wonder if it hits you, but in the same frame, it knocks you out of its hitbox before it processes it.
Maybe.
Like,
as long as, you know what, I don't really care as long as it just keeps shooting. It doesn't actually. I'll see now he's doing. Now he's not shooting again.
go to remote.
And
click on the turtle.
Shrine.
Fine. Turtle. Okay, let's see. You can see its properties on the right there.
Oh yeah.
No, right there. So anything looks bad.
Max health, damage, breaker, walk effects, timer.
This will move. Okay, this. That's fine because it just needs to be the like weapon of the box.
So I go to spike. Max. Well, see, max amount is 1.
Set that to like 3.
Just even go 4. Oops, I guess. Well, I don't know if this is happening on single player only or multiplayer as well.
Yeah, I'll keep testing multiplayer.
Yeah. Everything seems to work just fine in single player. This is a great single player game. No bugs in single player. I should have.
My guess is that like one of them will like bug out for some reason and not hit anything.
Yeah.
And then that cancels the rest of them, which means that eventually still they will. So I think
it would just take longer now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know why it's not deleting like how it's supposed to. Or he could just not get up now.
Yeah. What?
This turtle, man. Like,
what the heck?
He just went to sleep now.
Oh, what the heck?
Doomed to never be.
Why?
Doomed to never be merged.
No.
Hold on here. Let's see. Let's see if getting him out of here fixes him. Okay, so map host leaving reset him. Oh.
What? You see, like,
yeah,
curved.
He shot down, but he wasn't looking down. What?
That is, like, gibberish.
Yeah, look at this. a
Peer,
network
which is
peer Wikier is not or connected. Trying to call
Windows
an RPC.
terminals are a thing. Is anyone here with a reading disorder help us parse this?
Like what is?
It's just like the same thing. The letters are just misarranged.
Yeah. A networking.
Someone with dyslexia might be able to just like read this.
Like there is something really wrong, obviously.
No, the Eric, because the it should be just from the client, because the other one. Well, actually, no, it might be. Yeah, it might be right. Might be right. It could be. It could be that Godot is pushing the standard out, and the extra client that was created pushing the standard out. I think Eric's right.
Oh, overlapping error interrupts from both. Oh, I see. So it's like spitting out two errors like at identical moments.
Yeah.
It looks like there's something up with the network still. Oh, see, now I'm going to crash Godot again, I think.
So close.
I thought we had it, man.
Well, I think we just found a new one.
Yeah. There's some serious network. Yeah, it's going to crash. I can't even... So much goodness. All right. How do you want to proceed? Do we want to keep going on this, or should we?
Up to you.
Like, do we call the turtle done and like try and? I don't know. So
let's see. Let's look at the code here again. And then
where do you want to
decide? Turtle.gd. Let's see. Let's go all the way to the top.
Hey, like... I'm glad you're loving this, Eric. Best puzzles ever. Yeah, seriously.
Yeah. Yeah, we're actually not making a Zelda-like. We're making a puzzle game. You can the game's free to download on GitHub.com.
Feel free to solve it.
Go to the top of this file. We'll just see if we can like. Okay, so there are. It's moved. If you go to entity.gd or enemy.gd. Scroll all the way to the top. Okay. Entity.gd now.
Sorry, big yawn. I'm not actually that tired. I just need oxygen to my brain, apparently.
Okay, let's go back to turtle.gd. Okay, I moved timer link. Cease player shell. Okay. Okay, where is cease player updated?
In physics, I believe. So.
Okay, physics for a body. Detect overlapping bodies. If.
Oh yeah, you're right here.
Okay.
No, Suki.
Okay.
No, Suki.
Yeah, I think. So, what I suggest is keeping rather than just get overlapping bodies stable.
Well, it hasn't had any problems in literally like the Stalfo or any other.
Oh, I know why. I know why.
Wait, why?
I know why this is buggy. Because if literally any body that is not a player goes in there, it's going to be set to false. And if there's a player in there and another object, it'll be false.
So if there's two players in that area, is what you're saying.
Yeah, so I would create create a function, a new function.
Where at? Like just anywhere?
For ease of use, move it somewhere. That's better. Up at the top, so we can see the. And call it has.
It looks
contains
like
player.
Contains player.
Yeah.
I can't type with a dog on my lap. Hold on. Okay.
And
now
then
I can.
give it a variable of like bodies, like an input, an argument.
Oh, input. Okay.
Yeah.
Like bodies, multiple.
Yep. Yeah, and then do for body.
Body
in bodies.
Bodies.
If body is player.
Like that player.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then colon return true.
Return true.
And then press enter.
Hold on, I'm being savagely attacked by a dog. Okay.
Oh yeah, backspace.
Yeah.
Return false. So that will look through an array of nodes and see if it contains a player. So instead of I would say instead of having that for loop, get rid of that for loop.
Mm-hmm.
And just do C's player equals contains player.
So if C's player?
Yeah, I'll just do C's player equals.
C's player equals.
And then which
double negative.
C's player equals contains player.
Contains player.
And then detect dot overlapping bodies.
Does that be in quotations?
No.
Detect. How do you write that? I don't know.
Detect overlapping bodies.
Oh, okay.
I don't remember the thing because that looks right.
I think that's right.
And then just change that to put the not in group there. The not in group. The 32 to 34. Put that in 41.
In 41.
32 to 34.
Oh, this bit here.
Take that. Yeah, put that into 41. Yep.
Why does it do these like so many indentations?
Because it copies. When you copy it, you copy the indentations too. And then the 33 to 34 needs to go in the else. Not 32 though.
Oh yeah.
And get rid of that. See if that does it. Well, it's a hard bug to replicate, but see if it doesn't break things, and if it doesn't break things, it probably.
It can't hurt it at this point.
Yeah, my only concern is like a shit ton of lag. Oh, it's not overlapping body. Area 2D. Area 2D.
Body
is. It's get underscore overlapping bodies.
Get.
So
not detect.
Yeah. Detect dot get underscore.
Oh,
try that.
Oh, yeah, of course. Oops. I mean, I could have done that. Like, I can't tell if I'm lagging because my computer is being my computer or.
Yeah.
It could be my OBS just lagging my computer. Okay, you stop.
Okay. He looks like he's doing his thing. Okay, that looks right. Okay, it looks like it's working. Is he shooting? Gotta give him a chance to shoot his thingy.
Yeah.
I'm not seeing him shoot his thingy. Let him give him a chance to shoot his thingy.
Yeah, he's shooting his thingy.
Okay, yeah.
Still shooting his thingy.
Okay. Okay, see if you can hit him with his shell down. Make sure that part's still working.
Yeah, that's still working.
I think he's fixed. Well, I think he might eventually still bug run out because that's not fixed. But we reduced the likelihood of that happening.
Yeah. Yeah, because
and actually it'll get like massively because it'll still seem to have bugged out before, but it can at least do more than one.
Yeah,
So,
that's right. And like the likelihood of someone staying on the map long enough for that to happen is less likely. They'll either kill him. They'll either kill him or they'll leave.
Yeah, it seems to be working though.
He does seem to be working now. Okay, doesn't seem to be.
Yeah, it's gonna be somewhere. Yeah.
Oh, he's changing a different direction. Oh, he updated. It's all good. There might be some desync things like that. That's not that big a deal. I think he's. Yeah, he's still shooting even though he's there. I think this looks like it's possibly fixed.
Oh, yeah, that's why I want to look at the code one last time. Before...
See there, he did.
What's that?
I jinxed it.
Ah!
Is he just frozen? Well, no, he's updated again.
Oh. I think his animation got out of sync.
Yeah, I think so. You know what? I don't think that's a big deal.
I mean, we can create a.
The fact that he fixes himself afterwards is fine.
Yeah. We can create a bug report for it, but
I think this is as good as it's needing to be as for me to be at least like the likelihood of him causing.
Yeah.
He's not gonna break the game now or like crash the game. That's all that matters. Yeah. See, there's no
no errors.
No errors, and he's not. He's still shooting even now.
Yeah. He's doing his job. He just sometimes panics and just stands there.
Yeah. I should have checked to see if he could be hurt when he was like that. But I didn't think
My guess is that it was just showing the wrong animation.
Yeah, I think so too. No, I think this is good. No errors, game's not crashing, not lagging. He seems to still be shooting. Yeah, he's still shooting. I think we're good.
Cool. You'll have to remove the guy before merging line, right?
Yeah, and I have to make sure he's where he's supposed to be. So I'll do that off. I just crashed Godot again. Or no, I didn't. I closed it. Never mind. I closed it. I didn't crash Godot.
Oh.
I just saw it in my restream. I closed it. It's fine. There was nothing wrong with Godot. That was an exhaustive session for something that should have been so simple. Oh man.
Yeah.
Guys, next time my dog is going to do the coding. She's much smarter than me. Oh boy. At least I think we can safely merge that PR now. So. Oh boy. That was something else. Alright, is there anything else you want to address before we close tonight off?
No, no, I don't think
you were prepared.
Thanks for sticking with us, Eric.
Yeah, no doubt. Thank you, and actually, I had a lot of people drop by tonight. That's awesome. Of course,
including Ethan Hall of Vumgano.
All these Russian.
I can't pronounce that. Also Vumgano.
I tried to delete
and then other guy I can't pronounce Vumgo.
Let's delete all those before I go, so that
I'm gonna Google what Vumgo is. It's gonna be like a bad thing to Google.
Yeah, please be careful. I don't want people getting having a virus from.
But I want to correct it to Or let's see. I'll just put in DuckDuckGo.
Go.
Oh, it's a scam website. Yeah, don't
go there.
click it.
Please don't go there.
Don't click
Anybody who's
Yeah,
watching this, don't go there. All right, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Joseph and I are going to keep working on some of this stuff and maybe get a push out here soon. I'd like to push this once we have the boss, the dead captain, merged, so that there's some content update finally.
Yeah, well, it's 2 bosses, and then that's
the demo. Yeah,
is.
that's a
So
finished demo release. That's
Yeah.
exciting. Obviously, still some things to work on bug-wise, but you know what? It's almost there. I'm sure everyone will have plenty of breakage once they get into it.
yeah, maybe one day we'll have the player base where we can just send out code and then magically it fixes and PRs.
Yeah.
That'd be cool.
That would be very cool.
That'd be cool.
So, anyways, guys, have a wonderful night, and I'll see you next week. I'm probably going to keep doing Saturdays, to be honest, for now. I am way too tired on Friday nights right now. So, I will see you probably next Saturday. Have a great night, guys. We'll see you later.
Good night, everyone.